get a couple of quail, run around the bottom and eat all the insects come in.
Yeah, quail's a good animal.
Yeah, I've got to set it up properly, yeah, because I've drilled holes in the roof. I'm going to hang wire down, then hang the big bottles and feed it, so earwigs can't get into them. Plus where they are, they're shitting on them. And I don't think I'd like to drink water someone's shitting. Now, this is me.
Nice color, the other one.
They're 3 males and 3 females inside. You keep them apart until breeding season.
Ah, okay. Lovely color, love it.
You're going to pair them yourself or let them do it?
I'll probably put them in cages and the way I want it and see whether they take.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll try and match it up first.
Because you can buy little breeding boxes. They're about so big.
Yeah.
I'd like to set it up in the other spare bedroom there and get it sorted.
Hello? Yes?
Can't walk anywhere because you're fucking bothered.
Yeah? Look at you. How beautiful you are. Yes? Yes? Check. Where are you? Don't hide from me.